guys, welcome to Wellste channel. Today I am going to introduce the electrophoresis for you. What is electrophoresis? It refers to placing aluminum profiles in the electrophoresis tank with a direct current. Then it will forming a dense film on an aluminum surface. Look at these samples. It has a high transference and a special gloss. The coating color is obvious, mainly natural silver, black, copper, etc., which can also be customized according to customers' needs. Electrophoresis aluminum has a feature of paint acid and alkali resistance durability. It's not easy to fade, and it can improve aluminum life. It's widely used in automobiles, electronics, constructions, and other fields. Electrophoresisis aluminum has many advantages. First, in surface finish. After electrophoresis, the aluminum surface can obtain a good smoothness, reducing the impact of the surface defects and obtaining a better surface. Second, electrophoresis aluminum is covered with a hard aluminum oxide film, which can enhance its corrosion resistance and prolong surface life. Last, electrophoresis aluminum profile film thickness is usually thin, generally between 10 to 5 microns, so it has good coating coverage. For details, very suitable for precision profiles. Contact Wellste now and get more suggestions from our engineer.